Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make black bean noodle sauce. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need Korean black bean paste, also known as chunjang, which is the heart of this dish. We'll also use diced pork, a selection of fresh vegetables, and a simple starch slurry to achieve that perfect sauce consistency. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get our ingredients ready. Dice your pork and vegetables like onions, zucchini, and cabbage into small, bite-sized pieces. The first crucial step for the sauce is frying the chunjang. Heat about 1/3 cup of oil in a pan, then add the black bean paste. Stir it constantly for about 3 to 5 minutes to remove any bitterness and deepen its flavor. Afterward, scoop out the paste, leaving the flavorful oil behind. With the chunjang prepared, it's time to build our sauce. In the same pan with the reserved oil, sauté your diced pork until it's about half cooked. Next, add your chopped onions, zucchini, and cabbage, stir-frying them for several minutes until they begin to soften. Then, return the fried chunjang to the pan, add 1 cup of chicken or vegetable stock, and a couple tablespoons of sugar. Simmer this mixture for 5 to 7 minutes, then stir in your starch slurry to thicken it into a rich, glossy sauce. Finally, let's bring it all together. While your sauce simmers, cook your fresh wheat noodles in boiling water until they are perfectly al dente, usually 3 to 5 minutes. Drain the noodles and rinse them quickly under cold water to prevent sticking. Transfer the noodles to a serving bowl, then generously spoon the warm, thick black bean sauce over them. Garnish with some julienned cucumber for a fresh crunch, and enjoy your homemade black bean noodles right away.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.